So, what are the benefits of quitting smoking? The benefits are immense. Let's look at them. Within 20 minutes of quitting smoking, BP and pulse rate and temperature comes back to normal. Within 1 hour of quitting smoking, your nicotine level reduces by almost half, and it goes down by almost 94% within 8 hours. Within 12 hours, the level of carbon monoxide is down to its normal levels, and oxygen levels increase within the body. Within 24 hours, the constrictions in the veins and the arteries loosen up. But at the same time, the anxiety level is very high, and it comes back to normal in 7 days. In 48 hours, the damaged nerve endings of your the nerves of smell and taste tends to regrow, and you start to experience better smell and better taste. Within 72 hours, the breathing becomes very easy, and the function of your lungs start to improve. This is the day when most of the nicotine has been flushed out of the body, and that is why the craving is also at its peak. But it is at its peak today now. It is going to go down from today. In 7 days, so within 7 days, 50% of your triggers are no longer creating cravings to smoke. And if you are married to 7 days, you can make it to a lifetime. Within 14 days, blood circulation has come back to normal, and your triggers and cravings are also increasingly becoming weaker and weaker. In 21 days, the imbalance of the reward system in the brain, that system that was hijacked by nicotine, that system of dopamine released, is coming back to normal. And it is the natural process of the reward system within the brain is getting re-established within 21 days. Within 30 days, your chronic cough disappears. The functionality of your heart and lungs improve manifold, and walking, running, climbing stairs, and any kind of physical activity becomes very easy. The overall energy level within the body, you really find very, very energetic from within, and those perennial laziness due to smoking goes away. You are absolutely very, very energetic all the time. In 60 days, insulin resistance decreases, cilia starts to regrow. The cilia is the broom of your lungs, and it starts to regrow, and it cleans and clears up. The cilia is the broom of your lungs that cleans it up, and it starts to regrow. Cilia gets very much damaged because of smoking. In 90 days, so when you reach 90 days, there are many positive benefits that you are going to manifest in this process, and in 90 days, this skin automatically starts to repair. You will see visible signs of dark spots going away, wrinkles going away. Those visible signs, you will be able to see them within 90 days. Within 6 months, the functionality of the lungs improves dramatically. Within 1 year, the cortex is growing thicker. So this smoking is actually very damaging for our brain. Cortex is the outer cover of our brain, and it is growing to start to recover. It was thinning because of smoking. So it is now becoming thicker, and over time it is going to get it will restore to its shape and it will become stronger. Basically, smoking is something that damages almost all parts of our body, and it damages our brain considerably. Within 5 years, the risk of diabetes is same as the non-smoker, and the list is very long. The day you quit smoking, this body is a miracle. It starts to heal itself naturally. And the biggest advantage for me that I realized after quitting smoking was it actually has changed my belief system. When I was a smoker, I used to believe that smoking a cigarette clears up my thoughts in a moment. Within a second of a smoke, my thoughts are clear. I get new ideas. And today I can say that was the biggest lie that I was telling myself all these years. And this has given me a new perspective of various other beliefs that I have in other aspects of my life, that I see that they're like the one that I had. That smoking clears my thoughts in a second. And the truth cannot be farther than that. It was an absolute myth and a lie that I was telling myself all these years. And it all started with just one thing, one step of quitting smoking. You can quit smoking too. If I can do it, you can do it too. Quit smoking today and start to gain all these benefits. Reclaim your life, reclaim your freedom. Cheers.